The last week, I've been doing pretty good on a cough during the day. But as soon as I lay down at night, I start hacking away. Well, I'm always experimenting, trying to figure out how to stop things like that. So I said, I'm going to take this swig of this cold and flu medicine when I go to bed. So I took a swig of this. I didn't cough. I fell asleep right away. I got up in the middle of the night, coughed once, took a swig of this cold and flu medicine, and fell back to sleep without coughing again. This worked fantastic because that coughing at night will keep you up all night.